Welcome to the Hard Reset YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show how you can download and install the IPC360 app for this MIBAO D100 IP camera. So, let's begin. The process is somewhat the same both on an iPhone and, both on an iOS and Android devices, but regardless, I'll show how you can do that on both. So on an iPhone, you gotta launch the App Store, then input the IPC360 query, then look for this specific application. Here it is. Now, simply get it downloaded and installed. If that's your first time downloading this app on an iPhone, you will need to either perform the Face ID check or input your lock screen password before confirming the installation. So now you can just go ahead and launch it, set it up, and here you'll need to sign in or log in, but we'll do that in another video. So now let me take another phone. This time it's an Android device. On it you'll need to launch the Google Play Store instead. Here input the same IPC360 query, then find this specific application, and now get it installed by tapping at the install button. And after that, just allow some time for the app to be both downloaded and installed now. So as you can clearly see, the app has been successfully installed on our Android phone as well. So now you can just go ahead and launch the app. And here also sign in or sign up if you do not have the account for it. Anyway, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.